Buongiorno a tutti. My name is Miriam Cacciacarro, and I will be cooking with you through the Roseto Valfortore Cultural Center cookbook. Today, we will be cooking frittata with zucchini and potatoes from the kitchen of Rosa Ponterallo. For this recipe, you will need eggs, zucchini, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, potatoes, pepper, and salt. For the first step, you will need to dice your potatoes finely and boil them until they lose much of their hard texture. For the next step, you will need to beat your eggs with your Parmesan, salt, and pepper. For the next step, you're going to cut your zucchini into small cubes, and at that point you're going to heat up your olive oil in a skillet and you're going to put your zucchini and cook it until it's golden and tender. Once your potatoes are cooked, you're going to put them with your zucchini, which is currently sauteing on the stove, and you're going to cook it for an extra minute or two. Once your potatoes and zucchini have been cooking for about 2 minutes, you're going to add the rest of your olive oil. You're going to heat that mixture up, and then at that point, you're going to add your eggs. You're going to cook your frittata for as many minutes as the edges start curling in and the bottom is cooked, and then at that point, you're going to flip it. If you don't have a broiler, what you're going to do is put a plate on top of it and use that to flip your frittata. Now is time for the taste test. The smell is divine. It looks pretty good as well. I love that it doesn't have any garlic and onion, even though I love garlic and onion, just because then you can really taste the flavors in the cheese and the vegetables and the eggs. Wow. Surprisingly, because it doesn't have any garlic, but still so much flavor. Like the cheese and the potatoes. Wow. Very good recipe. I've tried in the past. It's another extension to just eating the frittata on its own, as you put it in a nice bun with a bit of like mozzarella or something, not a very flavorful cheese, because you really want to taste the flavors in the frittata. Like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you've tried this recipe. The recipe for this frittata can be found in the description box below. As well, feel free to follow me on A Taste of Roseto Valfortore on Instagram as well. You'll find behind the scenes photos and footage. Until next time, buon appetito. Be cooking zucchini with potatoes. No. Frittata, use your zucchini, okay? Tang on the stove. I get all mixed up.